Apache Airflow gives you a great UI to manage all your pipelines. You can monitor workflows, trigger tasks, inspect logs, and keep everything under control, all from a central dashboard. It's reliable, powerful, and built for data engineers. But what if you're not at your desk? You're on the move or in a meeting and need a quick update, or want to trigger something without opening your laptop. That's where Airflow Copilot comes in. Airflow Copilot is a chat-based assistant for Apache Airflow, built right into Microsoft Teams. Just send a message from the Teams app on your phone, laptop, or tablet, from literally anywhere. Type in natural language, and it responds with actions. Let's see some in action. Airflow Copilot supports 2 authentication strategies, per user and centralized. If your setup uses per user, which is also the default, the first step is to update your Airflow credentials. Simply type, "Update my Airflow credential." Copilot will prompt you to enter your username and password. This is only needed once, unless your password changes later. Once that's done, you're ready to go. Now, let's say hello. Copilot responds with a greeting, and if everything is configured properly, it'll greet you by name. Let's explore a few more things Airflow Copilot can handle, starting with something basic. Ask it for a list of pipelines along with their current status. Just type your message and wait a moment for the response. Airflow Copilot reaches out to the Airflow server and fetches them for you, even if your wording isn't perfect. Now, let's enable a pipeline. Here, I've asked Copilot to enable one of my pipeline. And just like that, it takes action, confirms the request, and updates Airflow in real time. Let's quickly refresh the Airflow UI to verify, and yep, it's enabled. How about checking the source code of a running pipeline? Just ask Copilot, "Provide me the source code of the DAG and give you DAG name." And here it is, one message, and Copilot instantly returns the DAG source right inside Teams. No need to open the Airflow UI. Now let's say your DAG isn't showing up or something's not right, maybe it's failing to load. You can ask Copilot, "Is there any DAG failed while import or show me import DAG failure?" And it'll fetch exactly what went wrong, with the traceback and file name, so you can debug it right away. Finally, let's trigger a DAG. Just type, "Trigger the DAG and give your DAG name." Copilot does a fuzzy match on the DAG name, so even if you're a little off, it'll try to find the closest match. But to be safe, try to use the exact DAG name whenever possible. And here we go, it's confirmed that the DAG has been triggered. Let's jump to the Airflow UI to verify. And yes, it's running. Once you're done with all your tasks, it's always a good idea to clean up the backend history, especially to keep things lightweight and clutter-free. Just type, "Refresh history." Copilot will ask for confirmation, go ahead and confirm it. And that's it, your old interaction history is cleaned up successfully. Want to explore more? Check the full documentation at Airflow Copilot, thedatacarpenter.com.